Hello to all. So in this video we are going to discuss about basics of control system. So in the description lo playlist istanu, playlist link. So in that you can find the entire subject of control systems. So let's start. First, control systems, like what is the meaning of control system? We will look that. A control system is a system which provides the desired response by controlling the output. Okay. So ఇక్కడ మీరు ఈ బ్లాక్ డయాగ్రామ్ చూస్తే you can see there are two things. One is input and one is output. So ఇక్కడ మన output ని control చేస్తుంది. Okay. So we will give input to the system and it will control the input and give some output. Okay. So this is known as a control system. The output is controlled by varying input. The output is controlled by varying input. So this control system may have like any equation. For example, this control system gives f out as twice the input. Okay, 2 times let f of I is input. So this is also control system where it is doubling the input and giving the output. So as this f of I is independent function, input is independent and output is dependent. As output is given by control system, so it will provide the required functionality for us. So we will vary this input with some mechanism. So this may be anything. So we may use the input as some temperature or some electric signals or some pressure waves. So it may be anything. We will give input through various mechanisms. So we will classify the control systems majorly into 3 types. One is continuous time and discrete time control systems, CISO and MIMO control systems, open loop and closed loop control systems. So we will discuss one by one in a brief way. So first continuous time and discrete time control system and data chudamu, and then CISO and MIMO. So open loop and closed loop it will be very long. So we will be discussing this in the separate video. Okay. So first continuous and discrete time control systems ante ento chudamu. So these are based on signal used. These are based on signal used. In continuous time control systems, all the signals are continuous in time. But in discrete time control systems, there exist one or more discrete time signals. So first stick to the point that for our control system has only single input. Okay, only single input untadi. And we know that there are 2 types of signals. One is, for example, if we take the sinusoidal wave, this is a continuous time signal, and there may be some, for example, step signals. Okay, so this step signal is also a continuous time signals, and the discrete time signals look like this. For example, the same sinusoidal or, for example, cosine wave which is sampled. Okay, so this is the cosine wave which is sampled at particular intervals. So this is known as a digital signal or a discrete signal, whereas these things are known as continuous time signals. So our input may be this discrete signal and this continuous signal. So in this way, on basis of signals used, we classify the systems as continuous time and discrete time control systems. And next one, CISO and MIMO control systems. So it is based on number of inputs and output present. For example, this is our control system. So generally we do problems by taking that input is only single input and there will be single output. For example, there is a particular control systems which take humidity of surroundings. Okay, humidity of surroundings and temperature of surroundings. It takes both inputs. Okay, and it will give output at RPM of fan. So temperature ni base cheskone mana fan speed anedi rotate avutadi. Okay, and also it will give some for example a brightness of light, brightness of light. So we are having input as two things, humidity and temperature. So based on these two things we are getting outputs as RPM of the fan and the brightness of the light. So మన system ki if it has single input and single output that is known as SISO control systems. For example, as in this case we are having more than one input and more than one output. These are known as MIMO, that is multiple in and multiple output control systems. And also we will be discussing in the next video open loop and closed loop control systems. This is something a broad topic, so I'm going to cover this in the next video.